cartoon TV.
She has come. Leave me! Please leave me! What have I done to you? Please leave me. At least you fear God. If anything happens to me, God will not leave you.
How many terrible accidents were happening in the village. It was good that those black magicians helped us. Otherwise, that ghostly woman would hurt us very badly.
You are right, sister. We have just escaped. God has His hand on us.
Yeah, let's work. What did you guys think? That after killing me, all of you will breathe peacefully? Not at all. I will be bad for you guys.
Hey, what happened? We had put that ghostly woman in hiding. But what's this?
Oh God, what is happening?
Sister, it seems she has come again.
If that happens, she won't leave us.
We have to do something.
Why not go to the same black magicians?
Yes, you are right. We should go.
After the arrival of the ghostly women, everyone reached out to the black magicians living in the dense forest. Everyone went there and told about the women's return. After listening to which, all the black magicians became quite shocked. After which, one of them was spoken to a black magician.
The matter is very serious. Now we have to do something big so that that woman leaves from here forever.
Whatever you do, get us out of this crisis. We are ready to give you whatever you ask for.
Don't worry, my child. You go. We will find some solution.
All right, sir.
How can this happen? We had killed that ghostly woman in that mansion itself.
This is what villagers think.
How foolish these villagers are. So superstitious.
Let it happen. We are at benefit.
Yes, let these villagers die. We just have to rule this world. And we have started from here.
The innocent villagers did not know whom they are thinking their well-wishers. In fact, they were plotting against them. Many days passed. That ghostly woman used to come as a tornado and go back after scaring all the villagers. All the villagers again went to the black magicians.
Why is our village not getting rid of that ghostly woman?
We are trying our best. Only worshipping day and night. Don't you worry. All of you will get rid of that ghost.
Do something quickly. Take this money and just take us out of this trouble.
We will get you out of this trouble soon. Now all of you can go home peacefully.
Oh, I forgot to bring the cloth in which I had brought the money. Okay, I just go and bring it. Everyone just wait here.
Just like this, these villagers kept pouring money on us. And we continued to spend our lives like this.
All these villagers will take their last breath on the night of the new moon. Just a few days more. After that, this village will be in our grasp.
Oh God, what have they done to us? Those whom we considered to be a god, they turned out to be demons. I need to go and tell this to my friends.
What are you saying?
What I am saying is right.
the coming new moon night is going to be very difficult to us.
If that's the case, then we have to find a solution as soon as possible.
Before that, we have to reach the village.
Now we have no way. When the people who protect us from these black powers are trying to kill us, then we cannot do anything.
When we have to die, then why not die courageously?
What are you saying?
Now we will not be afraid. We will face these black powers firmly.
You are right. The one who has no one always has the God with him.
What's the matter? Everyone is already waiting for me today. What a fun! Today I will kill all of you.
You can't do anything to us
Okay, why?
because those black magicians didn't order you.
That means you came to know everything.
Yes, and we also came to know that you are just a pawn which is just coming to scare us.
That means you have come to know the reality. That what is going to happen to you on the new moon night.
Yes, so now stop scaring people. You were doing the same while living with us, and you are still doing the same. We could have spoken to someone else to stop you.
I was a living woman, and those black magicians have done this to me.
No, you were a ghost.
You all don't know the whole truth.
Which truth?
They all wanted a pawn that could work for them. These black magicians laid a trap, so you all thought that I am a ghost. Actually, there was nothing like it. They all took me to that palace.
You are trapped in our trap. We know that you are not a ghost, but it will happen now.
Please, please don't do this to me. What wrong have I done to you?
Be quiet. Now we will do whatever we want to do with you. Remember this. Your child is in our captivity. If you will not listen, so we will kill him.
They made me a ghost with their ghostly powers. At the same time, they also took my child in their prison. And I'm forced to do this work.
What?
But your child is not in their captivity.
Then where is he?
He is with his grandma. After this has happened to you, I myself left him there.
What? That means those black magicians lied to me.
We apologize to you for what happened to you and everything we did to you. Forgive us.
I will not leave those black magicians. They have given me such powers that by using them, I can also destroy them. No, they will not be saved. I will not leave them.
What will you do now?
Just wait and watch.
Hey, witch! What are you doing? How dare you do this to all of us?
Now you will see how daring I am when I finish you all.
You seem to have forgotten that your child is with us. If anything happens to us, he too will have to die.
Stop fooling me all. I have come to know that my child is safe wherever he is. All of you cannot spoil anything.
How did you know?
Leave that. And all of you now prepare to take your last breath.
Look, leave us. We will make you as before.
Whatever you say, I'm not going to believe on your talks again. Your end is sure. I become a human again? Whatever. I'm very happy to become a human again.
We too. We got rid of those black magicians. What else? Now we are safe.
With the help of their courage and the ghost, all the villagers got rid of those black magicians and all started living happily from that day on.
If you enjoyed this video, Do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.